Hi, Lavina. My name is Yuki. I'm a communicate specialist of the Pennsylvania Manufacturing Advisory. So first of all, I want to thank you for meeting me. We know that you and your team participated in the Pennsylvania Manufacturing Advisory project. So could you please briefly introduce some basic information?
Of course. First of all, it's so good to meet you. Thank you so much. My name is Lavina Suresh Lyengar. So I'm a second year student. I'm in a dual degree program of MBA MSMIS. So I took the PAMAF fellowship in the spring of 2021, and I was the project lead working in a 4-member team for the SMS group. So it's a metal manufacturing based company in Pittsburgh, and the goal of the project was to build a KPI, or a key performance indicator dashboard, which is user friendly, which is a one-stop watch for all levels of management to figure out how their facilities were performing. And that was the main deliverable of our project.
Okay, we do want to know in what ways has this project helped you to grow professionally?
This was one of my first professional experiences when I moved to the US as an international student. And it was also one of my first experiences working in an international company for me, but it's maybe local in Pittsburgh. But I got to work with many people from different cultures. It helped me grow professionally. It taught me the art of working with people and getting my work done through people as a project manager, as a project lead. So that is a position that you don't get that often so easily. And it was a wonderful experience so far.
Wow, that looks really interesting. Can you share one thing you have learned as a result of this project that will help you in your career?
Absolutely. So the one thing or key takeaway that I got from this project was it is not important to have all the hard skills, but that soft skills such as communication, collaboration, conflict resolution, problem solving. So these skills are so important to just get a project done, delivered. So that is the main learning that I got from the project.
Okay, and could you please describe your experience about this project in 3 words?
Yes, and that's a very tough question, and I had to think a lot about it, but the 3 words would be challenging, people, and patience.
Great. Thank you for sharing your experience and your story.
Thank you so much.